Hi viewers, we will today discuss regarding the recent verdict on अरावली रेंज। और सबसे पहले हम अरावली के बारे में जान लेते हैं। इट इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट माउंटेन सिस्टम इन द वर्ल्ड एंड इट passes through Delhi, Haryana, Gujarat and Rajasthan. If we talk about its importance, it is important for the groundwater recharge in these areas. It regulates the climate condition of India and it has immense biodiversity conservation potential in those parts. And most of the important part, it prevents the desertification of rest of the eastern part of the Rajasthan from the Thar desert. Recently it was in news because Supreme Court gave a verdict on it, so it was in news. फिर अब डिस्कस करते हैं कि ये कैसे स्टार्ट हुई ये कंट्रोवर्सी। ओरिजिनली illegal mining was rampant in these areas, mining for the sake of stones from अरावली रेंज। और ये इलीगल माइनिंग का सबसे मेन रीज़न यही था कि चारों स्टेट्स में नॉन यूनिफॉर्म रूल्स थे माइनिंग के रिगार्डिंग। सो अ स्टडी कमिटी वाज फॉर्म्ड in past years and this committee submitted its report to the Supreme Court and it was accepted by the Supreme Court in November 2025. But the main important issue in that verdict was that regarding that Aravali was that only those peaks which are 100 meters in height would be considered the part of Aravali. इससे क्या होता कि जो मेजर पोर्शन अरावली के थे वो सेफगार्ड्स जो अरावली को मिला है उससे बाहर हो जाती, जिससे कि जो माइनिंग प्रोसीजर है वो और रैम्पेंट हो जाती। आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ ह्यूज एंड क्राइज ऑन 29th of December 2025 Supreme Court stayed its own order and clearly gave the principles of the safeguards of Aravali and it instructed for the management plan for sustainable mining in Aravali. No new lease mining would be allotted to any company and if there are mining going on, so define the safeguards for existing operations was said by the Supreme Court. So that's it for this topic. We will discuss next topic in the next video. Thank you.